Have you got a property investment portfolio with multiple properties throughout the Western Cape? Let's face it, your portfolio is not performing as well as it could be. You've got the plan, you know what you hoped it would be like, but the reality is the spreadsheets just aren't working out the way that you thought. Building a property portfolio is not a passive investment. You're dealing with multiple agents, you're dealing with repairs, tenants that aren't paying, unexpected expenses, and it's very frustrating. We know exactly what you're going through. We've been doing this ourselves for 20 years, and we realized there is a need in the market for a unique asset management solution where you can have your entire portfolio managed under one roof, and we've created that offering for the market. So get in touch with us. We can assess every property in your portfolio, and we can help you with every property solution and service that you need to maximize your wealth through property.